So guys, we got a 2006 Pontiac Montana, and I have to replace door handle in here. The customer says the door locks and the mirrors don't work, and like when you press the mirrors, like the switch is kind of messed up, but like all these come off, but it shouldn't stop it from working. But anyway, the mirrors don't work. Nothing moves. Switch it to the other side. That side, nothing moves. And then the door locks. You press the lock, both sides lock. You press unlock, nothing happens. But if you use the key fob, watch, unlock, it unlocks. And we can lock it from both sides. But like even this side, you press lock, lock works, unlock does not work. So I'm thinking it might be a blown fuse, because I know a lot of GMs, they get weird when the door lock fuse blows. Like you'll have one door that'll unlock and lock, but the rest will just lock. And you get all kinds of weird stuff. So I'm going to bring up a diagram for this. See where the fuses are for the mirror and for the door locks. And I'll be right back. So guys, it doesn't look like these are related at all. It says it uses pin 7. Fuse 7 goes to, it's like the antenna. Remote control door lock receiver. Okay, so that's what that goes to. Fuse 1, 15 amp, goes to the body control module. And over here for the mirrors, looks like fuse 11 will be a 10 or a 2 amp depending on if it's early or late production. And that goes right into the mirrors. So I guess we'll go to the mirrors since this circuit's a lot simpler. Looks like we have one ground. So I guess we'll look for this, for the right side of the dash. Fuse 11. Oh right. I wonder if this is probably on the other side. Make sure this is right side of the dash. Yeah, behind accessory panel. I may have to stop the video while we look at this. Let's see. I'll have to look for a picture where it's at, because, or is it here? Is it behind here? Oh, there we go. Wasn't sure if they hit it here or if it was in the center console or something. Let's see, fuse. This is 10 amp. Let's see, fuse 11 is third one on the bottom. Let's see if I can turn the flash on and see this. Looks like it might be intact. I need to get a fuse puller. I'll be right back. Got my test light right here. This side's good. So I'm gonna pop the switch panel off over there. We'll check the switch panel, see if we got good power and ground. Try to keep this low tech and quick. So guys, I got my front probing kit in. This is the kit from AES Wave. Using two different sizes here. To show the difference. So you got red. The red goes to the red and white wire, which is the battery feed, and the other red down here goes to the black, which is the ground. As you can see here, black is ground, red and white power feed, and then the other wires I'm connected to the green, which I can move back and forth between the red and black because that's common. So that'll reverse the motor depending on if it grounded or powered. And then the yellow and the white are the controls. So those I can just touch to the opposite. So if this is connected to the ground, connect this to power, and it'll switch. And I'll show you. So here we go. So yellow, I don't know which way this will move it, but they're connected to the power right here. This is ground, this is power. So if I connect it here, you'll see the mirrors going up. So now if I connect the other one, the mirror will turn. It's hard to do. So now the mirror's turning. I think we maxed out because we're up all the way. So I'm going to quick switch, move this yellow over here to the power, and then we'll make the mirror go the other way. So there we go, I switched yellow over. We'll take this, and now you can see the mirrors moving to the left. And now we'll test the other wire. And now the mirror is moving down. So this is all functional, just a bad switch. So you can easily do this with any type of jumper wire. Probably even do this with like a couple paper clips. But real quick, simple. Now we'll move on to the door locks. So guys, I got the door lock connector out. We'll do this real quick. Got a test light right here, connected to the ground. Right there on the bolt. If you look at the driver's doors, they're a ground side switch. So we got a ground wire feeding the lock switch, and then when you press unlock, it'll ground this orange and black wire. If you lock it, it'll ground this orange and black wire. No idea why they made both orange and black at the door. And then like up here, see it goes to a splice and then it goes to pink and black. So test this over here. Touch this one. Nothing. So that one locked it. Oh, there we go. Must not have made a good connection. See that? So it unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. And both sides are working. See, it's locked. Unlocked. So all this test light is going to ground. So I think my ground's not making good contact. I'll show that again. Yeah, I should probably be using a better ground. Move this to a different bolt. There we go. A lot quicker. There you go. So D locks. The other one unlocks. So that's all it was. Test light just wasn't on good ground, but it's a quick and dirty way to prove this. So this car just needs a new unlock switch, unlock and lock switch, and a new mirror control switch. Guess we can go over to the other side, test that side. That side's probably the same thing. I'll get that panel off because I gotta take a couple screws out, and then we'll test that side. So guys, on this side, got your blue and light blue. One is unlock and one is lock. Got my test light connected to ground. You touch this one, it locks. So if I unlock this, it'll lock. This one doesn't do anything. Nothing. So there's an issue somewhere. Let's see if we can get the back of this connector. Yeah, there's an issue somewhere. So we're gonna have to see what spots we can access the wire. We might be able to do it at the BCM. Grab my wiring diagram here. So this wire, it's a dark blue wire, goes from here all the way over to BCM, which is the left side of dash, left of column. So we can check it there, or we can even slide this boot back and check it in the door to make sure it's not a problem here, because a lot of times wires will break in here. So this switch actually might be good. It might just be that. So I'll look around and see what's the easiest spot to test this, and then we'll be back. So guys, I pulled out the connector because it was really easy to get to, and I got my test light still on ground up here. And when I touch the blue wire, the dark blue, nothing happens. But if I touch the light blue, we can unlock the doors. So this still means that our problem's from this connector over to the BCM. So now I'm probably just gonna go right to the BCM. We'll test it there, see if we got a broke wire somewhere. Now what we could actually do is we could connect our test light to battery positive and press the door lock switch and test the circuit up to here. I wonder if one of these has power. That's not really a big deal. Just gonna go to the BCM, see if we can trigger this. So guys, the car's not doing it now, but when I came over here, the unlock button did not want to work. Like I was, well, not the button, but I was touching the wire and did not want to unlock. Same with under here. I came under here, came to the dark blue wire and I touched it. And now it's working. It didn't want to work. So let's lock these back up. Got them all locked. See the door's locked. Let's see if we can unlock it from down here. Touch the, probably hard for you guys to see. There we go, touched it. They all unlocked. So I'm gonna go back over and touch that switch. It's weird. I wonder if maybe the pin wasn't making good connection. Huh. See, it won't unlock. Gonna go back over here. See if we can unlock it under here, because you heard the chimes ding. Let's see. Yeah, see, now you just hear the relay click and nothing happens. It's like it disabled the unlock feature. Did like the alarm go on? I don't see any lights flashing. Oh, you know what? I wonder if the anti-theft always flashes. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's flashing. Let's see. Unlock it. Now it doesn't flash. So I wonder if I'm setting the alarm when I'm doing that. Maybe that was the whole issue. Maybe the alarm's set and that's why the door locks wouldn't unlock. Yeah, because now the alarm's set. I wonder if this has like one of those features where you can hold, need the keys. I wonder if this has the feature where you can like hold the door lock and it sets the alarm. Where did I set the keys? I just had them in my hand. Oh, here they are, on the back of the seat. So let's connect this back up. See if we can get this part way so I don't clip. So the light does not set when you press it. But I think if you hold it, no, it doesn't do it. But you cannot unlock. Let's try to touch this. Again, real quick. I can't show you guys, my battery's dying on my phone. So there we go, we got them unlocked. So now that our door locks are actually working over there, let's try the switch. See if we can touch this. See if you guys can see. Oh, now it works. Oh, you gotta press it twice because you're locking the car from the inside. Yeah, so the unlock switch doesn't work over here either. I don't know why it stopped working unless it just disabled it because I was pressing it so many times. Maybe it thought there was an issue with the switch. But there we go. It needs 2 switches. I think that's kind of ridiculous. I don't know what the chances are of 2 switches failing. I wonder if maybe somebody left I wonder if somebody left the windows open or something at one point. You know what? I can't even trigger the door lock right here. Let's see if you guys can see this. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see, I wonder if one of these door locks is just getting stuck on. Let me try to unlock it under here again. But I'm going to order 2 new door locks and that should fix this. Hope you guys liked it. So guys, we're back with the Montana. New window switch. Works fine. Unlock and unlock works. We put a new switch on both sides from GM. I ordered them online. And we'll check this side.
I think that's in the inside on that.
Oh yeah, we'll check this side. Both sides work. So, should be good. Let's see. AC Delco. There we go, confirm fix. So hopefully you guys like this video. See you later.